Come test drive the 2018 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power sunroof, traction control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls. Come take a test drive today.